How to arrange a rental agreement in HookUp. Go to the window Prostitution Property and log in on HookUp. On the landing page, click on I want to rent. Show your QR code to the owner so he can scan your details. The owner will complete or check your details. To this end, he will ask for your passport or your identity card. Confirm whether your details were registered correctly. The owner will now enter your rental agreement in HookUp. HookUp will ask you to accept or refuse the rental agreement. If you accept the agreement, your entry on HookUp is successful. It is now possible to see the overview of your future rental agreements. You can also see if an agreement has been cancelled or changed, for instance, when a room was amended. Extra options of HookUp. By clicking on the hamburger icon, you can get in touch with the prostitution team, look for help, or amend your account details such as your language setting and your password. You can report something to the police prostitution team. They will then pay you a visit to talk to you. For urgent police interventions, always call 101. But if you would like to talk to the prostitution team, you can use the contact icon. By clicking on Info, you will get an overview of the available support services. You will also find an animation about your rights and obligations as a sex worker in Antwerp. If you want to change your password and language setting, please click on Settings.